No. Psychopath kills for no reason. I kill for money. It's a job. That didn't sound right. Let me see if I can put it another way. If I show up at your door, chances are you did something to bring me there.
If you can find this cave, you are not going to have to worry about money ever again.
Because we'll die?
No. Well...